Okay, just little while ago the picture was shown to you. You must have written your respective story in the given sheet. Now this is the continuation of the same activity, namely individual narration, group discussion, and followed by common group story from the one individual on the behalf of group. Timing for narration is strictly 1 minute. You have to follow certain guideline. You will not look at assessors. You have to address your group only. You all will remain seated, and only 2 languages are permitted, that is English and Hindi. However, primary language is English only. I want you to narrate your story by following the layout, what led to the situation, what is likely to happen, and what is the outcome of the story. Okay, once last candidate completes narration, that is session number 09, you all will be engaging into group discussion. Timing for group discussion will be 8 to 10 minutes, and objective is to find out common group story that most of you would be agree upon. Any confusion? Okay, start.
Hello everyone, I perceive 2 characters, one male, one female, and Roshan, 23-year-old, who is a software engineer, and his working place is Mumbai. One day he is going to his village and meet her sister, 24 years old. She is, and her name is Amita, and she is little bit confused about how she improve his production in crops. And then his brother helped her. Then he search on the farming, government farming websites, and he tells about new skills and more techniques and the government schemes, and then she noted all and listed them, and she applies, and then she contact to him when he is going to his job, and then she her production is already improves, and she get information about from his brother.
Friends, the picture I perceived has 2 characters, one male and one female. My main character is Shima, 21-year-old, mood neutral. She was an engineering graduate from Delhi Technical University. As she was preparing for GATE and had given her exams, on the result day she went with her brother to check the results, and she came to know that she didn't got shortlisted for the IIT Chennai. Her brother motivated her and told her to be happy with what she have achieved, and after considering his points and also considering her grades and interests, she took admission in IIT Guwahati, and she continued with her best efforts and also participated in national robotics competition and won with flying colors.
Hello friends, from the picture that was shown to us, the story that I have perceived has 2 characters. For the first one is Ramya, who is of age 25 years, and the second one is Shubham, who is of age 24 years, and they both are friends and they study in the same college. So when Ramya went to her college for the first time, they were introduced with some chapters and topics that were difficult for her to understand, and she was facing difficulties. So she decided to ask help to her friend Shubham, who when they were back on holidays, he decided to help her, and they were discussing the chapters, and he helped her, and she later became good in that subject. Thank you.
Hello friends, I perceive 2 characters, one is male and one is female. Both are between the age of 21 to 23. My main protagonist of the story is Ashwini, who is 22 years old. He had a friend named Avni. They both read in the same college, Siliguri College. One day he saw Avni standing in a college ground. She was a little bit upset. So Ashwini asked him what's the reason behind her tension. Avni told him that she was not able to understand the topics, and she even don't have all the notes because her mother was not well and she wasn't able to attend the class. So Ashwini told her that not to worry, we'll work this out. So Ashwini gave her the notes and also made her understand about the topics.
Hello friends, I perceive 2 characters in the picture. The main character of my picture is a female of 23 years old and with a neutral mood. The other character is a male of 24 years old with a positive mood. The action of my picture is a result of entrance exam. Sunita, a 23-year-old BTech student, is currently pursuing her fourth year. And she had given various companies entrance exams. Last month, she gave the exam for Microsoft. Though she prepared well, she studied day and night, and also her exam went really well. She was worried as the result was about to come today. So her friend Hari came.
Hello friends, I perceive two characters, one female, one male, female of 27 years, neutral mood, and male of 23 years, negative mood. Meera is a nurse in the government hospital of her village, Bakshipur. One day she was going to her hospital as the cases of COVID has increased, the number of patients in the hospital. While going to the hospital, she saw a man from her village and he asked her to help his mother who is showing symptoms of the COVID virus. She gives him some essential medicines like paracetamol. She also tells him to take her to hospital to get her checked, and also asked him to wear mask and take proper sanitations, and went for her work. Thank you.
Hello friends, I perceive two characters, a male and a female. A male of age 25 and a female of age 30. Mood is positive. A man named Ravi is asking about address to Rani. I'm gonna skip. Try kar.
Hello friends, my story perceived two characters. One is male and other is female. Female is of 23 years old and has a positive mood. Seema was graduated from Kanpur University. Along with his graduation, she was prepared for SSC CGL exam, and he was very.
Hello friends, I perceive two characters. One is male and another is female. Male is of 22 year of age and female is 21. She is in a college because she is absent from few days because her mother is not well. She is worried because her syllabus is incomplete. She asked her senior for help. He promised her to help in her studies. That's all.
Hello friends, I perceive two characters, a male of age 22 positive mood and a girl of age 21 positive mood. The action of my story is advice from senior for studies. Sheena is currently pursuing BSc from Gwalior College of Arts and Culture. She is also preparing for civil services. She is currently facing problems regarding the syllabus, and she decided to take help from her senior Rakesh, who is also preparing for civil services. He then helped her for the syllabus, and moreover gave her books for the studies, and she later thanked him, and she was very happy after the help. Thank you.
Hello friends, I observed two characters, one male and one female. Ram, 21-year-old, is in positive mood, and he's the hero of my story. So Ram is a recommended candidate for the SSB, and Radhika on the other side is preparing for the SSB exam, and then the Radhika seeked help from the Ram for guiding her according to the whole procedure and in the academics, and Ram eventually helped her really well, and Radhika then scored really gratefully in the SSB interview, and she got recommended after 6 months when the results were declared.
Hello friends, from the picture I have perceived two characters, one male and one female, male of age 35 and female of age 25. Male is in positive mood and the female is in neutral mood. From the picture, I have made the male as my hero. He is a chief medical officer appointed in Dhara village in Kushinagar. While he was taking a walk in the evening, he noticed a female, the lady was standing under the shade of the tree and she was sneezing for quite some time. He felt that there is some need for immediate attention over there. He rushed towards her and noticed that she is having an allergic reaction due to the pollen grains near the bushes and the trees. So he took a cloth and wrapped around her face so that she could cover her face and could stabilize her. Then he took her to the nearby clinic and also provided the medical attention that she was supposed to be needed. He provided epinephrine, which was supposed to stable her allergic reaction, and then he also examined her whole body and also told about her reactions and how you are supposed to take actions when you are having such kinds of issues. And then he finally dropped her back to her village and took her number in case of any emergencies. Thank you.
Hello friends, I have prescribed two persons in that picture, a male and a female. The age of male 23 years and the female age 22 years.
Hello friends, I observed one male of age 23 and a female of age 21. Both are in positive mood. The action of the story is education of poorer children. Raj, age 23, is an engineering student. He visited his village during his holidays and observed that there are some poor children in their village and neighboring village who are unable to get a primary education. When he came back to his college, he discussed the problem along with his friend Meera. They both find the solution that they got a help from the NGO for their education. Thank you.
Hello friends, I perceived two characters in the story, in the picture. One is male and the other is female. Both are having approximately same age and have positive mood. Kailash is the son of Sarpanch of the village and he is planning with his sister to run a forestation drive in the village to increase the number of trees. For that they are planning how they who all can help in the village, who all can help their drive in the village, and how to bring all the people sightseeing, etc. they are planning. Thank you.
Hello friends, I have observed two characters, one male, his name is Raghav and is positive character, and a woman, her name is Ritu and she is neutral character. It is the day of FCAT result and the boy who is pursuing is his last attempt and he is so desperate. And he came to that girl and asking her that how many questions you have attempted and how many questions you are leaving and where it is positive and where it is wrong, so that he can neutralize himself and go for the better result for the next time.
I would like to state that right now also it's a post-COVID-19 situation going on. How many of us are wearing a mask right now? From the picture, we have all perceived two characters, one male and one female. Male of age 35 and female of age 25. In my story, the male is the main character. His name is Ramesh. He is the chief medical officer. He's been going through the village and expressing his views about COVID-19 pandemic. And there he noticed a female who was not wearing a mask. So he offered a mask to her as though Ramesh was already vaccinated, so he doesn't require a mask. And then he went to the village and addressed all the villagers and kind of educated them and made them aware about the COVID-19, post-COVID-19 situation and how you can reduce your life over there. So by this, I just want to end my story. Thank you.
Okay, all of you, please get up. Please get up, all of you, and just turn to your right and move outside. अच्छी बात क्या थी कि continuously you participated, number of words, इसकी बात करोगे तो आप सिनेरियो दैट इज आउटडेटेड
डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, क्या आप भी NDA 2025 एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं अपने पहले प्रयास में? तो आज ही इनरोल करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के रिटन प्लस SSB कोर्स में, जो आपको देने वाला है रेगुलर क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स, ट्रेन्ड फैकल्टीज, एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ द SSB पैनल, फ्री SSB कोचिंग, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट GTO ग्राउंड के साथ में डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, रिगरस प्रैक्टिस। ये एक ऐसा संस्थान है जहां हम आपको A to Z प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं और आपको नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की कड़ी तैयारी कराते हैं। प्राउडली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे रैंक्स देने वाली सेंचुरी डिफेंस एकेडमी आपको वेलकम करती है टू जॉइन आवर अपकमिंग कोर्सेज फॉर योर NDA एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन। Please call on 97959 77776 for more information. Thank you, Namaskar and Jai Hind.